Oh, thank you. Hi, I'm Mark. I had a presentation on the first day at the end, and today I want to tell you about a quite interesting project that is available on open source on the internet. It is called WTF Python. Let's not demonetize this video. And maybe someone of you know that project. Okay, few of you. Yeah, basically this project is about weird things, weird behaviors, and not really clear behaviors of Python interpreter, and how does it works in fact. And there is a lot of examples, so I think it may be quite interesting for you. Just look through. And the point of this lightning talk is that a few months ago I started to translate that into Polish, and basically I've done like 3 or 4, something like that, 75% probably. But I just stopped because of some reasons. So if you are interested of this project, maybe someone will help me with that, and that would be amazing. Maybe to talk over that next year. And basically that's it. Enjoy this project, and thank you very much.
Thank you. Next person, mkDocStrings.
Nie, będzie dobrze. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I think it works. Yeah. I was about to prepare a presentation, but I didn't really have time to make slides. So, but how many of you use mkDocs for documenting your code nowadays? Yeah, there's some of you. Raise your hand if you use Sphinx still. Yeah, it's comparable. So, like for me, I started using mkDocs a while ago when I saw like the FastAPI docs, which are very modern looking and whatever. But it lacked a very crucial feature, which was generating code reference, which is like something that Sphinx has done really well for ages. And there's this quite new project called mkDocStrings, which does just that. It generates code reference for mkDocs from Python docstrings. So like the first thing, it's language agnostic, so it supports right now Python and Crystal, but there were some attempts to write also a JavaScript handler. It supports multiple themes. You can use read the docs theme, you can use the mkDocs material theme. A very nice feature is also like Sphinx. It supports Sphinx inventories, so you can link, for example, to classes from Django docs, or when you see like what classes your class inherits, you can just click on them and go to external docs. So this is also very cool. And well, just it's mkDocStrings.github.io. You can basically just do a pip install and add it to your mkDocs YAML file and use it. And how does it look? It's a very big surprise that mkDocStrings docs are also generative of mkDocStrings. So, for example, I can go here, and here I have some class, and like it's some heading shifting tree processor, whatever. But like you can see the docstring, which is Google style, but it also supports the RST style docstrings. like the Sphinx ones, and like there are some other formats which are supported right now. I still use just Google, so. So yeah, it works really nice. You see here, basis. And what I'm doing right now is you can write plugins for mkDocstrings, like from the previous release. Because the Python code parser has changed, the new one is much better. It uses like a hybrid version of abstract syntax trees and just introspection, like with inspect module and stuff. So you can just plug in your plugins. And for example, I'm working on Django integration right now because like with the previous version, I made it work so it extracted some data like using verbose names instead of docstrings for variables. Yeah, like right now it has just 1,000 stars on GitHub, but the maintainer is very active. If you submit a pull request or an issue, he replies very instantaneously. And he's also very active on Matrix on GitHub. Yeah, it's you can just download it, play around with it. I use it for multiple projects at my company and my personal project. It's just very good. It's simple. It looks modern. Yeah, like I don't see like any reason not to use it nowadays. So try it, have fun. It's as I said. I think, my slideshow, which was like in production work. Yeah, like this is the link for mkDocstrings. I hope you'll like it. So yeah, that's it.